Okay, now example number 4. If the marginal cost function is given by MC equal to 2x plus 4 to the power minus 1 by 2, and the fixed cost is in number 4, you are asked to find the average cost for 8 units of output. So here, you have to, after finding the average cost, you need to substitute the value of x equal to 8 and then find what is the output. Okay, so as usual, MC is given, you try to find the cost function first. So when you integrate, 2 is constant, take it out. So now integration of ax plus b to the power n dx is in this form. So which is equal to ax plus b to the power n plus 1 divided by a times n plus 1 plus k is there, right? So they're using this formula. So 2x plus 4 to the power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 and same thing. So whatever is coming here, you're writing here into differentiation of 2x is 2. You're differentiating and writing here. So this 2 is getting cancelled here. So 2x plus 4 to the power minus half plus 1 is half only, positive half, positive half. What will happen? This will get reciprocal. 2 times 1 by 2, you can write it as square root plus k here. So you got the total cost function here. Once you get the total cost function, you try to find the average cost function. So now, as I told you before, fixed cost is given, c is given. So when x is equal to 0, c is equal to 4. So you substitute and try to find the value of k. So you are substituting 2 into 0 plus 9, square root of 9 plus k. So square root of 9 is 3. 2 into 3 plus k. So 6 plus k equal to 4. So k is equal to minus 2. Now you got minus 2. So therefore you got the value of c. Therefore AC is equal to c divided by x, and you divide it here. So when 8 units of output is produced, that means when x is equal to 8, when x is equal to 8, what is the value of AC? So substitute it here in this value. So you are going to get 2 into 8 plus 9. So 16 plus 9 is 25. Root of 25 is 5. 2 into 5 minus 2 divided by 8. 2 5 is 10 minus 2 is 8 divided by 8. So it is equal to 1. So when x is equal to 8, or when 8 units of output is produced, the average cost is 1. Okay, so you can write 1 unit or null term 1. Okay, now we are done with the first application. For this, I will send you the questions to solve. Okay, for practice in your VLE. So now we have the second application. The second application is to find the total revenue function and demand function from a given marginal revenue function. Okay, when you are given MR is given, when marginal revenue is given, how to find R. So now you know if R is given, to find MR you need to differentiate. So if MR is given, to find R you need to integrate. Okay, so same formula, MR instead of MC is MR dx plus K. Okay, now let's look at an example. If the marginal revenue function for a commodity is MR is given 4 minus 4x 9 minus 4x square, find the demand function. So your MR is given, marginal revenue is given, and you need to find the demand function. To find the demand, you need to know what is R. Okay, so first thing is you need to find the revenue function. Okay, so your for us is given MR is equal to 9 minus 4x square. Okay, so now you can find R. R is equal to integration of MR dx plus K. Okay, so R is equal to integration of 9 minus 4x square dx plus K. So which is equal to integration of 9 dx minus integration of 4x square dx plus k. Okay, so it's going to become 9x minus 4x cube divided by 3 plus k. So now you got R. Okay, so before you start with to find the demand function, you need to know if nothing is given in the question. Okay, so in your question, if there is no fixed cost, or if there is no anything is not given for you, if the fixed cost is given, you should not take x equal to 0. Now if nothing is given in the question, then you directly take R equal to 0 and x equal to 0 to find the value of k. So you can write when R is equal to 0, when R is when x is equal to 0, your revenue is also equal to 0. Okay, when you're not producing, when you're not selling, so revenue is going to be of course 0. Okay, so 0 is equal to 0 minus 0 plus k. So your value of k k is also becoming 0. Okay, so therefore your revenue function is, you substitute in this function. Okay, so now you got the value of k, therefore your r is equal to, you try to find, therefore your r is equal to 9x minus 4x cubed divided by 3. So this is your revenue. Now you know that revenue is equal to, so we know that revenue, r is equal to demand, quantity demanded into unit sold. This is our formula, right? So which we can write it as r equal to p times x. We can write like this. Okay, from here you need to find the value of r. So r is going to become, r is equal to, or p is equal to, which implies that p is equal to, okay, p is equal to, which implies that p is equal to r divided by x. See your demand function p, which implies that your p is equal to, so what is r? 9x minus 4x cubed divided by 3 whole divided by x, which is equal to 9x divided by x minus 4x cubed divided by x, which is equal to 9 minus 4x square. So this is your 4x, okay, 3 is here, I think 3x, so divided by 3. So this is your demand function. Okay,